What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to do something that most of you probably haven't done. You see, most buildings have a fire system of some sort. This one in particular has a very complex system because this building actually was on fire in 2010. Anyway, I, believe it or not, have actually had a car fire before. But then I was thinking, you know what? Buildings have fire alarms. Why doesn't my car? Okay, this will work. Okay, as you can see, we have a fire. This is how the system will work. Now, you always want to make sure that whatever you're working with is actually working. So, simple. Yeah, I literally could be dead right now. Just so you know, this is a punk. I break it off and make it look like a cigarette because smoking looks cool, but it's really not. This thing is... Let me check the battery. So I'm just going to pretend and I'm going to press the test button to see if it actually works. There we go. What am I even doing here? The whole car is like filling with smoke because of this punk. And the smoke alarm is not going off. Although I do feel like I'm from the 60s. I hope my pastor doesn't see me. You see this back window? That's a back window. I have 4 buttons for 4 different windows that are all powered for a 2-door car. It's awesome, okay? I love my rear windows. They're very nice. And people are like, could you roll the window down? And I'm like, watch me whip. And then the back window's going, they're like, whoa, that's so cool. I'm like, yeah, I know, bro. I think I'm starting to get high from this. So, I'm going to put my smoke detector, which still hasn't gone. I can't believe this thing hasn't gone off. I'm appalled. Smoke detectors are a sham. You should not use smoke detectors. It's a complete and total sham. Anyway, thanks to modern technology and changes in the times, this car does not have an ashtray. My Cadillac that I used to have had 4 ashtrays. Okay? 1995 Cadillac is a year older than I was, and it had 4 ashtrays in it. Okay? So, this car does not have any ashtrays. Which, literally, this is the first time I'm complaining about that. It's still on fire. I could literally catch my car on fire right now. But that's okay, because even if it catches on fire, I have a smoke detector. So, I'm going to take this smoke detector, and I think I'm going to mount it underneath the the driver's side, underneath the cowling. Okay? So, let's just test it. I'm going to drive along. I have a fire!
Does anyone smell anything smoky?
So the fire alarm's going off. What do you do? First of all, you locate the exits. Now there are exits here and here. Honestly, I think a carbon monoxide alarm at least would be very helpful to you. A fire alarm, I think it's just kind of a cool thing because I like to pretend that my car is a jet fighter and it has lots of beeping sounds and it goes really fast and I can play with buttons. I really like that. And after all, the Mustang, the car, is named after the plane. So, yes, they put a horse on there, but it's named after the P-51 Mustang. So, in other words, invest in a fire alarm for your car. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye. No animals were hurt during the making of this film. Smoking punks is not recommended for children or pregnant women. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and swipe right.